Hey there, digital explorers. Ever felt like you're falling behind in the tech race? Or maybe you've been eyeing those fancy online courses, but your wallet's giving you the side eye. Well, what if I told you that some of the best learning opportunities out there won't cost you a dime? That's right. Today, we're diving into the world of free Google courses, your ticket to leveling up your skills without breaking the bank. By the end of this video, you'll know about 5 amazing courses that could change your career trajectory, and we'll take a closer look at one that might just be the golden ticket you've been searching for. So, buckle up and let's get learning. First up on our list is the Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate. In a world drowning in data, this course is your lifeline to making sense of it all. Perfect for aspiring data analysts or anyone looking to add some serious analytical muscle to their skill set. Next, we've got the Google IT Support Professional Certificate. If you've ever dreamed of being the tech wizard everyone turns to when their computer goes haywire, this one's for you. It's ideal for those eyeing IT support roles or anyone considering a career pivot into tech. Third on our list is the Google Project Management Professional Certificate. Ever wondered how those big tech projects come together without falling apart? This course spills all the secrets. It's a must for aspiring project managers or anyone looking to bring some order to the chaos. Fourth, we have the Google UX Design Professional Certificate. If you've ever rage quit an app because it was just too frustrating to use, this course is your chance to be part of the solution. It's perfect for creative minds who want to shape the digital world we interact with every day. Last but not least, there's the Google Cybersecurity Professional Certificate. In an age where our digital lives are constantly under threat, this course is like learning to be a digital superhero. It's great for those interested in cybersecurity careers or anyone who wants to up their digital safety game. Now, let's zoom in on one of these gems, the Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate. Why this one, you ask? Well, in today's data-driven world, being able to crunch numbers and tell stories with data is like having a superpower. This course is a comprehensive journey through the world of data analytics. It's structured into 8 courses, each building on the last. You'll start with the basics, learning what data analytics is all about and why it matters. Then, you'll dive into the nitty-gritty, preparing data, processing it, analyzing it, and finally, sharing your insights in a way that even your grandma could understand. One of the coolest things about this course is that it's not just theory. You'll get hands-on experience with real-world tools like spreadsheets, SQL, R programming, and Tableau. It's like being handed the keys to the data kingdom. But here's the real kicker: this course is designed to get you job ready. By the time you're done, you'll have a portfolio of projects to show off to potential employers. Plus, you'll earn a certificate that's recognized by employers across the globe. It's like a golden ticket to the world of data analytics. Now, I know what you're thinking sounds great, but do I need to be a math genius? Nope. This course is designed for beginners. As long as you're comfortable with basic math and have some experience with computers, you're good to go. One thing I love about this course is how flexible it is. You can learn at your own pace, fitting it around your schedule. Whether you're a night owl or an early bird, this course works on your terms. So, are you ready to embark on your learning journey? Here's how you can get started. First, head over to Coursera.org. Search for the Google course you're interested in. Remember, I'll drop all the links in the description below. Once you find the course, hit that Enroll button. You'll be asked to create a Coursera account if you don't already have one. Don't worry, it's free. Hey, if you're loving this content and want more tips on free learning resources, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. I've got tons more coming your way. Alright, digital explorers, let's recap. We've uncovered 5 amazing free Google courses that could supercharge your career. 1. Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate. 2. Google IT Support Professional Certificate. 3. Google Project Management Professional Certificate. 4. Google UX Design Professional Certificate. 5. Google Cybersecurity Professional Certificate. Remember, in today's fast-paced digital world, continuous learning isn't just an option, it's a necessity. And with these free courses, you've got no excuse not to level up your skills. I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let me know which course you're most excited about. Or if you've already taken one of these courses, share your experience. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and remember, in the world of tech, the only limit is your curiosity. See you in the next video.